Welcome back, engineering enthusiasts. Today, we're unveiling the secrets of CNC press brakes, the epitome of precision and efficiency in the world of metal fabrication. CNC, or computer numerical control, is the brain behind these mechanical giants. By decoding control codes and symbolic instructions, CNC transforms press brakes into automated artists, sculpting metal with unparalleled precision. Let's dissect this marvel. The frame, ram, work table, and bed, each component, engineered to perfection, plays a pivotal role in bending metal sheets into intricate designs. Powered by a robust hydraulic system and governed by a sophisticated control system, CNC press brakes are the silent craftsmen behind the masterpieces of metalwork we see in our everyday lives. Every detail, from the back gauge ensuring precision to the foot pedal offering control, is a testament to the machine's intricate design. And with the crowning system compensating for deflection, accuracy is the name of the game. Safety and reliability are ingrained in its DNA. With features like safety light curtains and emergency stop buttons, operators can focus on crafting perfection, knowing they're in safe hands. Compared to manual press brakes, the CNC variants are a leap into the future, offering higher precision, speed, and automation. They're not just machines, they're the future of large-scale, efficient metal fabrication. So, there you have it, the CNC press brake, where artistry meets engineering. If you're as mesmerized as we are, don't forget to hit that like button, share this engineering marvel with friends, and subscribe for more.